Hello everyone, I am Professor M.S. Koite, Assistant Professor of Department of Agricultural Entomology, Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about the pest of grapes under the course of Ento 243, that is pest of horticultural crops and their management. These are the different pests of the grapes. First one is the flea beetle or urdhya beetle. Second one is thrips of grapes. Then stem girdler. Then mealybugs, and last one is mites of the grapes. The first and major pest of grapes is flea beetle, also called as urdhya beetle. The scientific name of flea beetle is Scalodonta strigicolis and it belongs to order Coleoptera and family is Chrysomelidae. In this image we can see the adult or the beetle of flea beetle. Then the host plant. It is specific to grapevine, however recorded on Pangara. Next point is life cycle. How the pest completes its life cycle. Oviposition means the site of egg laying in crevices of vines and under bark or in a soil. Pupation takes place inside the soil and the pupal period completed in 7 to 10 days. The total life cycle of the flea beetle completed in about 2 months. The next point is identification of a pest. Firstly, the adult identified by or the adult is reddish brown in color and also the shiny with these 6 spots on the elytra. Then how to identify grub. The grub is brown in color and black color head. The next point is nature of damage. Adults feed voraciously on sprouting buds and tender shoot soon after the pruning. Later on buds dry up and do not develop. Beetle also feed on the mature leaves giving short hole appearance. Grubs feed on roots but do not cause the severe damage. So in first image we can see the adult beetle feed on the sprouting or the buds. Then in second image we can see the short hole appearance on the leaves. So this is about the nature of damage by the flea beetle. Then next point is management. How to manage the flea beetle. Firstly, remove the loose bark at the time of pruning to prevent the egg laying. Then shake vines to dislodge the adult beetles. Then collect into trays containing the kerosinated or any insecticidal solution and destroy them. Then when we go through the chemical control, we can spray with the 0.05% chlorpyrifos. Also we can use the dimethoate or 0.2% carbaryl. First spraying immediately after the pruning and second one or the second spraying 10 days after the sprouting. So this is all about the first pest of grapes, that is flea beetle or also called as urdhya beetle. Then second and important pest of the grapes is thrips. The scientific name of thrips is Rhipipophorothrips cruentatus. It belongs to family Thripidae and order is Thysanoptera. Thrips is one of the important pests of grapevine causing the scab formation in berries. Then how to identify the pest? Firstly, the adult. Adult are the minute with black wings having the fringes. And females dark brown and males are bright yellow. About the nymphs, nymphs are the reddish in color. Then next point is life cycle. Both sexual and parthenogenetic reproduction occur. Then eggs or the site of egg laying in leaf tissues and pupation takes place in the soil. Pest overwinter in a pupal stage in a soil, and this pest is active in a summer. The next point is how this pest damage to the grapes. Both nymphs and adults scrap the ventral surface of the leaves as well as flower stalks, berries, and suck the oozing cell sap. As a result, affected leaves show silvery white scorchy patches with curly tips, flower shed, and scab formation noticed on infested berries. This is the characteristic damaging symptoms by the thrips, that is scab formation noticed on infested berries. So in first and second image we can see the thrips or the damaging symptoms by the thrips on leaves, and in third and fourth image we can see the thrips damage on the berries. The next point is management. Collect and destroy the damaged leaves as well as the fruits and the flowers. Then spray with the 0.03% dimethoid or methyllemeton or 0.01% cypermethrin. First spray immediately after the pruning in April and October. So this is all about the second pest of grapes, that is thrips. Then third and most important pest of the grapes is stem girdler. The scientific name of grape stem girdler is Stenias grissator. It belongs to order Coleoptera and family is Cerambycidae. So this is the species of stem girdler. First one is Celosterna scrabata, and in second image we can see the second species, that is Stromatium barbatum. Then next point is life cycle. The oviposition means the site of egg laying under the bark of girdling point. Pupation takes place inside the larval tunnel, and the number of generation of this stem girdler is only 1 per year. The next point is identification of the pest. Firstly, the adult. Adult is a medium size grey color with the white spots in the center of each elytra. Then grub. Grub is head of the grub is a dark brown in color and pair of strong mandibles. Then next point is nature of damage. Grubs tunnel into the stem means the dry wood. Then beetles feed on the bark and girdle the vine, resulting into the drying of the branches. Then after that, girdling of the green branches is an essential event before the oviposition. So this is the nature of damage by the stem girdler. Then last point is management. Firstly, remove the loose bark at the time of pruning to prevent the egg laying. Then cut the infested branches below the point of girdling and destroy by burning. Then collection and destruction of the beetles, and spray application of any one of the following insecticide like 0.05% malathion, 0.2% carbaryl, 0.07% phospholon, 35 EC. First spraying immediately after the pruning and repeat it 2 to 3 times. So this is the management of the grape stem girdler. So this is all about the third and most important pest of the grapes, that is stem girdler. Then next important pest of the grapes is the grapes mealybug. So the scientific name or the mealybug on grapes having two species. First one is Macronoecoccus hirsutus and second one is Fiercia virgatum. So in first image we can see the first species, that is Macronoecoccus hirsutus, and in second image we can see the second species, that is Fiercia virgatum. It belongs to order Hemiptera. Hence the damaging stage is nymph and adult. Host plant of the mealybug are the grapevine, hibiscus, then mulberry, custard apple, and guava. Then life cycle. The egg laying under the bark or the cracks and the crevices, and pupation only noticed in males, and a total life cycle completed in about 1 month. Then identification of the pest. The nymph are pinkish in color and the adult are the pink color and covered with the white flags. So this is the identification of mealybug. Then nature of damage. So the damaging stage is nymph and adult. Then both the nymphs and adults suck the cell sap from the leaves as well as shoots and the bunches of berries. Then develop a sooty mold on a bunches and cause severe damage to the fruit bunches. So in image you can see the mealybug attacks on the berries or the bunches. Then management. Debarking of vines and application of insecticide like methylparathion pest 2D on the stem and branches immediately after the pruning. Then collect damaged bark, leaves and twigs, sticky bands around the stem near the ground level. Then also we can release the exotic predator, that is Cryptolemus montreuxeri. 2500 to 3750 per hectare, or the 5 grubs or beetles per vine. Then also spraying of the Verticillium lecani 0.2%. Then spraying of fruit bunches with a 0.05% dichlorohas 1 ml per liter. So this is the control measure for the mealybugs of the grapes.